Let's talk about something most people miss. AI isn't just about automation, it's about acceleration. Sales isn't what it used to be. We are no longer just closing deals, we are building systems that operate even when we sleep. That's the power of AI. AI gives you the power to do all those things. And in the sales funnel I teach to brands, in my Future of Selling Masterclass, I share a couple of things. So here's the thing. It starts with the top of the funnel. On the top of the funnel is awareness. And here, if you're going to use AI, use tools such as Descript, Pictory, or Synthesia to create short-form thought leadership content. Video builds trust, and you can use AI to help you create those content and drive traffic to your brand. Now you have the middle of the funnel, and that's where you nurture. Now this is where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon. Write weekly nurture emails to your target audiences. Customize messaging for different personas that you have. Build intelligent lead magnets that speak to real pain points of your target audience. And finally, you go to the bottom of the funnel, and this is the conversion aspect. Here you can use tools such as CrystalKnows to tailor your pitch based on personality and insights. You can also use ChatGPT again to really deep dive into understanding your target audience. And of course, you're going to realize that there's so much tools that's available out there. Now, here's the thing, right? This is not the future, it's now. Now, I'll give you an example. One of my clients is a financial advisor who implemented our AI system. Within 3 weeks, she tripled her appointments with less effort and a lot more alignment. Now, this is not just about using AI, it's about using AI with intention, aligned with your brand, your voice, and your strategy. So the AI is here, it's there, right, for you to grasp. And I really want you to go out there and grab hold of it and use AI to build your brand, to build success in your sales.